So we installed 2 sets of the PM282Ws, and they're 8-inch cans, full range, along with a Bluetooth interface that links up to your cell phone for Bluetooth audio. And basically, we use a TM400.4, and you can tell we're still playing with it, tuning it, and we got it on full range. Frequency range could be anywhere between 80 to 200 depending on how you're doing it. The clipping ratio is pretty much amazing because it's not really giving us a bad output. We're still working on it. We're going to get ready to finish up looming everything and heat shrink and soldering all the joints together. But if you're in the Memphis market and you want to come by and get some motorsports ideas, you definitely know where we're at. We're here 7 days a week. You can reach out to us at 901-372-9922. But man, we got it all for motorcycle, marine, side by side. Got a jet ski, automotive, RV. I mean, you name it though. Come by and check us out. Here 7 days a week.